Yes, good morning. I hope you're all safe and good. Okay. Class 5. Subject Science. Topic Preservation of Food. Unit 1. Term 2. In last class, we learned about spoilage of food. Yes? Do you remember the topic? Yes, I know. I think you're all learned about the topic. Good. Now, I ask questions about that. Are you ready to say the answer? Good. Explain perishable food items. Food items like fruits, vegetables, milk, and meat will be fresh for very short period. These are called perishable food items. Good. Name any two microorganisms. Fungi and bacteria. Very good. Name any three foodborne diseases. Yes, stomachache, fever and vomiting. Very good, dears. Okay, cuties. Now we move to next topic. Next, preservation of food. The process of keeping the food material for a long time without being spoiled is called preservation of food. Once again I repeat it. The process of keeping the food material for a long time without being spoiled is called preservation of food. Food will be spoiled if it is not prepared, preserved and handled in the right way. Okay, there are many methods used to prevent, delay and reduce the spoilage of food. Food preservation methods. Cultivation of food requires lot of efforts. Nowadays, food cultivation and the crop yield are decreasing. There are many people suffering in the world without food. So we need to protect and preserve the food. The following are the ways to preserve food. Next one, drying. It is the process of removal of water content from the food by drying. It is in the sunlight. Example, grains. Next, addition of salt. It is the method of adding salt to food to remove the water. Example, pickles, fish. Next one, addition of sugar. In this method, sugar is added to food. Sugar dissolves in the water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Example, jam, fruit juices. Next, freezing. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food items can be preserved by this method. Example, fruits, vegetables. Next one, boiling. Boiling kills the microorganisms present in the food material. Example, milk, water. Next one, canning. In this method, food is packed in airtight cans so the germs do not grow on them. Example, milk powder. Next, addition of chemical preservatives. Chemical preservatives are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials. Okay? Good. Example, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. Okay, cuties. Now I ask question about preservation of food. Okay. Are you ready to say the answer? Good. First one, explain preservation of food. Yes, the process of keeping food material for a long time without being spoiled is called preservation of food. Very good. Second one, say any two preservation methods. Yes, drying, boiling. Drying, it is the process of removal of water content from the food by drying. Example, grains. Second one, boiling. Boiling kills the microorganisms present in the food material. Example, milk, water. Very good, Tangam. Purpose of food preservation. Food production has increased due to modern technologies. Yes, agricultural practice is abandoned in many places as there is failure of monsoon. Okay? At the same time, many people suffer in the world without food. So, food should not be wasted by any means. Okay? Preservation of food is important for the following reasons. 1. To retain the color, taste and nutritive value of the food. Second one, to make food available throughout the year. Next one, to prevent the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in the food items. Next, to reduce wastage of food items. And the last one, preserving food not only protects our health but also makes food available to the people who need it. Okay, ma? Okay, cuties, assignment. First one, write the reasons of preservation of food. Second one, explain the food preservation methods. Thank you, dears.